today we're gonna combine all the snapshots we have built the DA63, RL55, and the BB48. Let's start building. Oh, what? I did it the wrong way. Whoa, this is so cool. So this is what it looks like. It's called the MD Switch 1. Okay, let's get the bullets. Ah, they're running away from me. What the? Whoa, that was cool. I hope you had fun building the MD Switch 1. And it looks so cool. If you remove this, it kind of looks like a monkey with wings. The monkey ears, flyable things. But so cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Bye!
Snapshots. Build to battle.